Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kai. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'm going to be showing you 4 different styles with this headband wig here, which is actually a Converti-Cap unit that I got from CURLSQUEEN. So I do want to say thank you to CURLSQUEEN for sending over this unit. I'm excited to try it out, show you guys the different styles that you're able to achieve with this unit. Just to keep in mind, the Converti-Cap wig, it's able to be worn in a full wig, half wig, headband wig, and ponytail, and probably many more styles that your creative mind could come up with. So if you guys are interested in seeing the styles that I create today, as well as hearing what I think about today's unit, then make sure you continue to watch, and let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Also, before we jump into it, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload, and then you can follow me on my other socials. They'll be here on my screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go. Alright, first, so showing you guys what the unit comes in. It comes in this beautiful gold baggage here with the CURLSQUEEN logo right on the front. The items that come in the package are, of course, the wig as well as a wig cap, and they did provide 2 headbands here for me to use on today's unit. There's also instructions that will be included on how to style this unit and giving you different option styles. So first I'll show you the construction of the unit. We do have 4 combs in the inside. There's 1 in the front, 1 in the back, and 2 on the side, as well as an adjustable band in the back, or elastic band. I'm not really sure which one you would call that, but you pull it and it makes it tighter. So to jump into the first style, the first style I'm going to show you guys today is the ponytail. Ponytails are definitely my go-to. I love ponytails. Wearing those in a style is my go-to for sure. This is super easy to do. What I did in this, what I did for this unit is I pulled the adjustable band as tight as it would go, and then I start off with the front comb, just making sure it's super secure, stuck into my head very tight, and then I'll move on to the back as well as to the side combs as well and make sure those are secure. So you are going to have a little bit of a band that shows, and what I do in that instance is to pull a piece of the hair from the back and wrap it around because it'll hide that band, and just looks like all of it flows together, blends well, and you have the perfect ponytail. So this unit does come pretty tight curled, so I did go in and finger comb it a little bit, add some water, add some mousse, comb it out just to get it that big fluffier look, and that is the ponytail. So to jump into the next style, we're going to do the headband wig. You know, headband wigs are super duper popping, super duper popular right now. Super easy to try on. They're the easiest to grab and go, put on and go, plop and go, run out the door, gym, groceries, any type of errand that you have to run. Headband wig is definitely a go-to for me, and it might even be helpful for y'all. So I'm going to use the cheetah headband that they provided today, and I'm going to place the unit just a bit far back on the head, maybe about 2 inches back from where my hairline starts, just so some of my edges can be exposed. And then I'll add on that headband, and then of course add me some edges because I need a little bit of edge life here and there, and that puts together the headband wig. It's super easy. I've already combed it out, so the hair was really pretty easy much and ready to go. Third style I'm going to show you guys today is going to be a little bit of leave out left out in the front. I just left like a little corner piece of my hair out, maybe about 2-3 inches worth of hair, just so it will hide the band when I do wear it, and just like the down look without any headband or any type of protective or invisible use of tools to hide the band. So my hair is going to be the tool or the piece today that I use to hide the band. Just pulling a little bit of the hair out, put it over there in the front. It was pre-straightened, so I did add some water as well as mousse just to get my curl pattern back so that it would match today's unit. And then the fourth style, not super duper excited about it. I was trying to do a like full cap unit. You guys probably could style it up a lot better than I did. I did a little bit of mistake. So you want to make sure that if you do cut this hair, start off small. Do not start off big like I did, because I did cut off too much hair. But I made it kind of work a little bit. You guys be the judge of that. Let me know in the comment section below. I wasn't too much of a fan of it, and I'm pretty sure I wasn't a fan of it just because of the way I cut it. That is why I was like, oh no ma'am, that's not gonna work. But you know, we kind of finessed her a little bit, and I don't know. You guys let me know what you think of it. So just to give you my thoughts really quickly on the unit, I really like it. It's a human hair unit, you guys, so it is going to be a little bit more on the expensive side. However, you have to think that you are going to get as many styles as you want out of this unit. At the minimum 4 for sure, but you could be even more creative and get even more styles out of it. They do provide you with some headband wigs, you guys. If you don't want any of your hair out, you got to think about it. That's a pro. You don't have to wear any of your hair out, even though it can be worn in a half wig, or with the headband wig you can camouflage it all and wear it as a full cap wig. You also get the ability to wear it up in a ponytail, which is awesome. I love ponytails. Rating this unit, I probably give her about a 7 to 8 out of 10. It's a decent unit. I like it. It has its pros. I didn't really run into any cons with it. I didn't have any shedding or any tangling. And of course, it is curly. You can wash it. You can condition it. You can dye it even if you want to. Of course, I did cut it. You can't get it to grow back. But the unit is all around a decent unit. And I think if you are a beginner jumping into units, probably would be a good one for you to try out, because you can experiment and see what styles you actually like, how you want your curly hair to look on you before you maybe go out and get a full lace wig or anything of that sort. So I do want to say thank you to Curls Queen for sending over today's unit. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment either way. Subscribe to my channel and leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.